you can draw this little guy in Procreate. This little guy. All you need is a canvas of 2500 pixels by 2500 pixels. The color palette is linked in the description, and you need free Procreate brushes, which you can get at freefromflow.com. Now let's get started. First, we need to grab our brush. We'll be using the round chalk brush from the Treasure Chest brush pack, and for the color, we'll grab this first color over here. The opacity of the brush should be at 100%, and for the size, let's go to 60. And then we'll make an oval-like shape for the body of our bee. Let's just color it in by hand so that we get a nice texture. And it's okay if it's a little bit wonky or wobbly. We don't need a perfect bee model. Just something like this. Then we'll set this layer to alpha lock. We'll tap it, turn on alpha lock, and now we can only draw on this shape. And we'll do that with the second color, and then we'll add some stripes to our bee. A little bit rounded, like this. And another one over here. Then for the eyes, we'll make a new layer, tap the plus, and then first let's grab this color, third color in, well, the only row that we have. And then let's make one eye like this, oval shape. Then we'll make another layer on top. We'll tap the plus, and then we'll grab this lighter color, fourth color. And then we'll make this eye a little bit bigger. That will add to his derpiness. Then we are going to shade the eyes a bit, so we need to turn on alpha lock. Let's start with this one, tap it, turn on alpha lock, and with this light color, we're going to lighten up this front of the eye. I'll leave a little bit of a dark edge there. Then let's go to the other eye and tap that layer as well and turn on alpha lock. And then we'll grab that third color, and then we'll go along the outside here and add a bit of shading. So the outer edge here on the right is a little bit darker, but this part is light. Then let's add its pupils. Let's do that on a separate layer. Let's tap the plus, and for the color, we'll grab this one, fifth color, and let's make the brush a little bit smaller. Let's go for 30% and add one pupil over here and the other one here. This gives him a nice derpy look. Then let's make a mouth, like a little bean shape, like this. And then we can turn on alpha lock on this layer. So tap it, turn on alpha lock. We can add a little highlight to its mouth with this color, fourth color. Go in here and add a little bit of a highlight. Then let's give him some legs. Let's do that on a layer underneath the other. So we'll tap the plus, and then we can tap and hold the layer and drag it all the way to the bottom. And then we'll grab another brush. We'll grab the round chalk pencil, and we'll set it to this dark color, to that brown, second color. And the opacity should be at 100% and the size at 100% as well. And then we'll give him 6 little legs. A little bit curved, like that. And then we will need to add the wings. Let's do that on a layer on top of the body. Let's tap the plus. Then let's grab this color, fourth color, and we'll use our round chalk brush again. And let's make it a little bit bigger again. Let's go for 60% and make a rounded wing like this. Then you can tap and hold the eraser to make it switch to that round chalk brush. And then we can erase this bottom part a bit. And we can gently go over that center very lightly to give it a bit of transparency. Maybe we can fade this lower part a bit more. And then we'll make another wing beneath our body layer. So we'll tap layer 5 here, then we'll tap the plus, and then make sure to select the brush and create the other wing like this. We can give that a little bit of transparency as well. We can use the eraser again, gently go over the center like this. And then let's grab another brush. We'll grab the fine liner brush, which is also part of the treasure chest. And we'll use that brown again, second color. The opacity is at 100%, the size at 10. And then just make a line like this with these lines branching outwards. And let's do the same for the other wing. Let's go to this layer and just go over here, make a curved line, and then lines like this. And there, in just a few minutes, you have created a silly little bee. I think he's the perfect companion for this cute orange monster. If you want to create this monster as well, then go ahead, check out Patreon, and then I'll see you next time.